Today, I will revise chapter 3rd, Data Handling and Probability. Students, you know that PA1 will start from Monday 31st August. In this video, we shall study some important points on this chapter. After studying these notes, you have to solve 10 multiple choice questions. It is very helpful for your P1 exam. In my next lecture, we will study some more multiple choice questions from chapter 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Okay? Now, listen to me very carefully. First, the information collected in the form of numbers is called data. Second, the difference between the highest and lowest observation in a given data is called range. The average or arithmetic mean or simply mean is defined as sum of all observation is divided by number of observation. Mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observation. The observation that occurs most frequently in the data is called mode. When the given data is arranged in ascending or descending order, then the middlemost observation of the data is called median. The representation of the data in the form of rectangle or bars of uniform width is called bar graph. On tossing a coin, the outcome is either head or tail. When a dice is thrown, the total number of possible outcome is 6. Now, you have to solve some multiple choice questions based on data handling and probability. Question number 1. The median of the data 9, 12, 11, 10, 8, 9, 11 is option A 10, option B 11, option C 9, option D 12. Student, you have to choose only one option. So you have to arrange this data in ascending or descending order, and you know the middle observation is its median. So you have to arrange this in ascending or descending order and find the median. Question number 2. The range of the data 21, 6, 17, 18, 12, 8, 4, 13 is option A 17, option B 12, option C 8 and option D 15. Students, you know the difference between the highest and lowest observation in a given data is called range. So you can find the range. Now question number 3, mode of the number. Student, you know the observation that occurs most frequently in the data is called mode. So you can find the mode. Okay. Question number 4. Mean of the first 5 prime number is A 5, B 5.5, C 5.6 and D 6. Student, you can do this question easily. Question number 5. A coin is tossed once. The probability of getting tail is 1/2. Okay. Question number 6. The information collected in the form of number is called data. Question number 7. The observation that occurs most frequently in the data is called mode. Okay. Now question number 8. The difference between the highest and lowest observation in a given data is called range. Question number 9. On tossing a coin, the outcome is head, tail, neither tail nor head, and either head or tail. So answer is either head or tail. Okay. Now question number 10. The representation of the data in the form of rectangle or bars of uniform width is called bar graph. Okay students, you have to practice all these questions. Okay. Have a nice day.